Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another collaboration video. It's another shopping haul, guys. This shopping haul is hosted by Jessica MyRose. Jessica, thank you so much for having me again in this collaboration. Jessica has a variety channel, homemaking, fitness, cooking, and lifestyle videos. One of my most favorite videos that she's made are her wellness videos, so definitely check her out and give her some love. In the description box below, there's going to be a playlist of all the girls in this collaboration. We have a great variety of channels in this collaborations that I'm sure is going to interest you and hopefully inspire you in some way to go shopping. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so let's get the elephant out of the room. Is that the term? I don't know. What do you guys think about my short haircut? This is my first time officially showing you my short haircut, and I'm still not used to it. I am still not used to it, guys. I chopped it off yesterday and I honestly don't know how to style it. So hopefully you guys like this haircut. My hair hasn't been short in about 2 years, guys, so it's so new and at the same time exciting. But I am ready for summer. I'm not a hair person, so hopefully I figure out a way to style this kind of haircut. I'm still getting used to it. I'm not used to it. Oh, okay. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right, so today is a shopping haul, guys. I went shopping. I went to Shein. I went to Nordstrom Rack and Bath and Body Works, and also Sephora. You know, the big shebang. I only have these shopping haul videos every other month, so it's not that crazy like I'm shopping a whole bunch each time. I've just been collecting it over the last month and a half. So let's go ahead and start with the Shein clothing. So the first one is this shirt right here. I love the print. Hopefully you guys can see that. Oh, it's kind of see-through. It's not that noticeable. It's definitely perfect for the summer. It is like the polyester kind of material. I love this lace detail on the neckline, and the neckline is not too deep. The arm is not like too, you know, like a tank top like this, but it's just enough to cover and be more flattering on my arms at least. So I really love this print. I would definitely pair this up with like jean shorts. I love the neutral colors. Next item is I got for work, and it's kind of like a midi skirt. So there's that skirt right there. It's very flowy. Again, a little see-through. You definitely need to put like a slip inside, but I love how flattering this makes me look. I mean, it hugs me in the right places. It's flowy enough without being too baggy, and it still gives me that shape. I would definitely pair this up with like a plain black t-shirt and some sandals, and you are good to go. It's long enough, and as a teacher, you can't wear like really short skirts or anything like that, but this is long enough, at least for my height. I'm 5'1", and it hits me like somewhere between my ankle and my knee. If you are taller, I think this would look even cuter. I love the print, very neutral. It's perfect for work. Next item, what is this one? Oh, a pajama set. It's just a plain black tee with kind of a plaid pants. So very cute. It has gold writing on it, and it says Love XOXO. I'm planning to bring this on my trip. Do you guys do that when you're going on a trip? You tend to buy like newer clothing or even newer undergarments. I love to update my pajama wardrobe whenever I go on vacation. So another one from Shein or from Amazon. Another fun print for the summer, and I figured I could pair this up with some blue jeans again for work, and maybe a brown belt. This one is so soft and stretchy. I love the print. I know it looks a little busy, but trust me guys, if you pair this up with some plain jeans, maybe even black jeans or blue jeans, oh my gosh, super pretty. It's another top, and it kind of has a similar cut and form as this top here, but it's just this nice kind of aqua blue green color. I love the button detail on the side. It is, again, a little see-through, but it's not that bad. Really loving this. I love the color. It's so cool on the eyes, and it kind of matches my eyeshadow. What do you guys think? Love it. Another one from Shein is, this is my favorite one that I bought. It's a romper, guys, and it's one of those rompers that hugs at the ankles. So I have been looking for one. So this is where the ankle would be, so it's kind of tight. This is it, guys. It's such a soft material, and the arms is so beautiful. I love it on. I love the arm and the style of it. Like, it's more kind of boxy and flowy right here, so it's very flattering on the waist, and I love the simplicity of it. I think I'm definitely gonna use this on one of the shows that I'm gonna watch in Las Vegas. This can go really casual with some sandals, or make it an evening wear and wear it with some heels. I feel like I would definitely pair this with a long necklace right here. See that? Super pretty. And this necklace I got from my Fabfitfun box. In case you're curious about what I got in my Fabfitfun box, definitely check out the video here or over here. I'll try to link this in the description box below. I hope it's still available. So that is everything with my Shein haul. Next item, guys, are from the Nordstrom rack. So I've got two tops. This one I've already worn, but I love this kind of boxy top right here, and look at the material. It's super soft. It's from the brand Madewell. I love this detail right here. It just takes it up a notch and makes it look very classy, and the arms are loose and kind of bell shaped. Love it. There's some buttons in the back, which I never really had to undo because it's loose enough in the neck and head area. I totally imagine wearing this with some skimpy shorts, or like, well, not skimpy shorts because I don't really wear skimpy shorts, but if you do, I think this would look really great. This would really look good also with like distressed jean shorts, like anything that has some kind of distressing to it, and then this one just makes it more kind of classy. And I love the boxy shape because it doesn't hug you, but then it's very slimming. This one I was thinking somewhere along the lines for work. I love the print. I think this blue striping that goes up and down is very slimming. This is by the brand Beach Lounge. And yeah, it's originally $58 and I got it on sale for $20. I love the arm detail right here. It's kind of tighter on your arms, and then it flares out with these nice ruffles. This is more of a tunic, guys. It actually sits below the waist and below the bum. So you can wear this with leggings, you can wear it with jeggings, like white jeggings or like white capris. So I'm so loving this right now. Okay, the next items, guys, are my shoe haul. So I watched my friend Soraya. She kind of showed a spring shoe haul a couple months ago, and I had recently watched it. And so from her suggestions, I had bought my own spring/summer shoes. First shoes, guys, is by Naturalizer. I've used them already, so excuse the dirt, but this is by the brand Naturalizer, and these are mules. This is my very first pair of shoes from Naturalizer, I think, or just anything from Naturalizer, and I hadn't realized how soft and comfortable their shoes are. You can wear these with dresses, guys, in the spring if your feet gets cold, or you can wear it with like jeans with a white button-down shirt. I love the style. It's just very classy. You know, when you put it on, it looks like, oh my gosh, are you wearing slippers? But from the side, and just if you have the overall look, it looks so pretty. I got this, guys, from the Nordstrom rack. Another one from the Nordstrom rack is the Steve Madden shoes. Oh, so pretty. This is my favorite. It's $49. Oh my gosh, the stickers are still on. I haven't used this one. Hold on. So I love how blingy these shoes are, but how neutral it is on my feet, it just kind of blends in. So it looks like your feet has some gems on them without really realizing that you have sandals on. And it's so comfortable. It has a little bit of lift, so it's not totally flat, which I like. But yeah, you can wear this with dresses, with short shorts. Love it. Super cute. The last two are again from Nordstrom Rack. When I realized, and actually one of my coworkers suggested that Naturalizer was one of the like cuter brands that are actually comfortable for work shoes. So look at the rubber too. It's very soft rubber. This is again from the brand Naturalizer, and it's just a gray ballet shoes, and it ties at the ankle. This is so cute, guys. So cute with capris on. I love the color. The gray is the perfect color, but it also has that warm tone, which is the inside is brown or nude. But my favorite thing about this shoe is that I wish you could come and feel this, guys. Look at that. It has almost kind of like a memory foam, or I don't know what it is, but it feels like gel. It's so comfortable. It's amazing on the foot, despite the fact that it is actually flat. It looks flat, but in here, guys, it's very cushioned and it is a little bit elevated. And that's what I look for, especially when you have pain on the feet. I used to have plantar fasciitis because I love to wear like flats. I'm really not the type of person that wears a lot of heels. My friends always call me like, oh, stop wearing handicap shoes. I'm really like more casual, despite how I love makeup and everything. I do love to go casual. And so finally, when I got away from like really flat flats, shoes that are more elevated, at least 1 inch or higher, it has really helped with my feet. Like the pain on my feet never came back. I think having the heel of your feet elevated helps with any kind of discomforts that you might have on your feet. Of course, it's different if you wear like the pointy heels. Now, those are just flat out uncomfortable, period. This one is gonna be my work sandals. I don't think it's the most flattering and good looking shoe in my opinion, but actually when you wear it, it's actually super cute. This is again by Naturalizer, and the style is called Soul. I love how it has a little bit of bling. My most favorite about it is the fact that it has this elevation. So it's still flat, but a little bit of heel really adds to being more comfortable. I feel like the way the footbed was made was again for comfort and durability. So I really love this. Perfect for work. This is going to be my work shoe for the summer. So from Sephora, guys, I actually had a few gift cards from Sephora, and so of course I had to buy a birthday treat for myself. One of them is the Bridgerton X Pat McGrath Lippies. You've seen this on my social media and on my Instagram. Love the packaging. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Have you guys seen that? Bridgerton is like super sexy hot movie, but it is so meaningful and like you can't stop watching it. So look at the packaging on this, guys. Super pretty, and I've used it already. It is not super opaque. It's the kind that's more a little balmy, but it does have a color to it. See? I would really love this as like a lip topper. I love the show, and so I had to get one of these. So normally this is like a $38 lipstick, guys, but I got it for like $25. And then I restocked on my Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 styling treatment. I never ever go without. This is one of my hair holy grails. And if you want to see the one hair video that I've made, one of my hair care holy grail products, definitely check out the video right here if you want the perfect hair day. Literally, this is what you need. You put this on while you have damp, wet hair, and then it just styles itself. I don't really style my hair very often. I mean, I think this is gonna be the first and last time you'll see my hairs curled like this. But even if I don't curl or do anything to my hair, this one gives it the perfect wave, the perfect volume for my hair. I love lip balms in a sense that it's like a base before I apply lipstick when I'm getting ready. This is from the brand Fresh. And this is a Sugar Mango Hydrating Lip Balm. And it's yellow. Just reminded me of summer. Smells like mango, but I've actually tried it already. I love the packaging. Super sleek. It's perfect for your bag. Just bring it with you on a trip. I got one for myself and I got one for my daughter, so she has it in her room. I think I'm gonna stop right there, guys. I have a few more items, but the video is getting too long, so that's okay. But hopefully you guys got some inspiration from the shopping haul. If you did, comment down below what your favorite item is from the bunch that I've hauled today. What do you guys think? I hope you enjoyed this video, gotten some inspiration from, you know, more affordable items to more luxe or more expensive items. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. Once again, I just want to say thank you to Jessica, our host, for hosting this collab. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!